All right, so we got Peter here. So simply men or simply men have no rights unless mom is giving the kids up. The only thing you can do is go to the court, put your wallet and checkbook on the table, and walk away. Yeah, I think that a lot of men feel that way. I would say this: we're getting better. Things are improving. I recall now it's probably been 3 or so months. I had a conversation on here with fellow California attorney David Passara, who's doing some really cool things with Union of Dads. If you look him up on TikTok and his podcast, he puts out some great content, not just legal advice, but just general things to help dads out. He does some great work. But we were talking, and he's been doing this for 20 years. He's been representing men in family court, and things are getting better. We, I guess we're celebrating a little bit. The state of West Virginia has on the governor's desk, they're headed to be the third state with a presumption of 50-50 custody. They have a very, very similar bill to the state of Arkansas. There are a handful of other states making runs at passing bills this year, and there are probably about a dozen states in the next 2 to 3 years that have very, very, very likely chances of getting equal and shared parenting bills passed. So the dynamic in family court's changing. We got to keep continuing to show up. We're changing the laws in many states. We're changing the way things work. But it's been a slow movement, and we look back at history and any movement of this magnitude, and you could make an argument that this is the single largest movement that has ever happened in the United States. 49% of the population are men, and so many more, whether it be new spouses, mothers, siblings, aunts, uncles, are impacted by this. We're moving in the right direction. Things were much different 20 years ago than they are today. And I think that 20 years from now, we're going to look back at what's going on today, and we're going to be in absolute shock of the way things were handled. I don't see a way where 20 years from now, we don't have equal and shared parenting in every single state. And then you made, so Peter, Oklahoma passed a law last year that helped out statutorily. They are a state, I think, to keep an eye on in the next couple of years. And I think they have a pretty good shot of getting something done. We've done two episodes with Tulsa attorneys, or Tulsa and Oklahoma City attorneys. So that may be one for you to look up on YouTube or on Facebook.